Ireland, Ireland. Side by side, we stand like brothers, one for all and all together. We will stay united through darker days, and we'll be unbeatable forever. Ireland, Ireland, together standing tall, shoulder to shoulder, we'll answer Ireland's call. Come the day and come the hour, some will live in song and story. We were born to follow our guiding star, and to meet our destiny with glory. Ireland, Ireland, together standing tall, shoulder to shoulder, we'll answer Ireland's call. Hearts of steel and heads unbowing, vowing never to be broken. We will fight until we can fight no more, till our final requiem is spoken.